As COVID cases rise in Middle Tennessee, so are cases of the flu. That's right. According to a new report, the city of Nashville this week ranks in the top 10 for flu cases. Let's get to News 4's Courtney Allen, who joins us outside of Vanderbilt's walk-in clinic in Belmead. Courtney, you're breaking this down. Help us understand how this is different than last year.
Yeah, Tracy, it's closed now, but people were in here all day who were feeling sick and getting tested. Now, you'll remember last year, there was hardly a flu season thanks to stricter COVID protocols being in place, keeping more people home. Doctors have been hammering home people getting the COVID vaccine, and they want to remind people to check off that flu vaccine, too. Jocelyn Ballantyne and her son are getting retested for COVID.
It just hit us at once. I'm surprised my son got it.
They first tested positive about a week ago.
I had a day of chills, fatigue, tired, no energy.
Since those symptoms overlap with symptoms of other common illnesses like the flu, she wasn't sure what virus she had.
Before I got tested for COVID, I didn't know what it was.
This season, Vanderbilt walk-in clinics are swabbing patients for both COVID and the flu, as flu cases are on the rise.
I'm just glad that I didn't have anything but COVID.
This comes as Tennessee ranks third in the country for flu cases. That's according to the Walgreens Flu Index, which provides information on the number of incidences in an area using retail prescription data. Nashville ranks as the number 7 city in the country this week, seeing a 113% increase month over month.
The people who are at greatest risk of these complications of flu are exactly the same group at highest risk of the complications of COVID.
Dr. William Schaffner at Vanderbilt predicts this flu season to be moderate to moderately severe, crediting the increase this year to people being out of isolation and kids back in school.
Doctors' offices, minute clinics, emergency rooms, and the hospitals themselves are already substantially busy with people having respiratory illnesses. Until recently, this was most assuredly COVID, but now we've got flu in the mix. So that's a bit of a twin-demic that's starting, right?
Ballantyne says she and her son are thankful to be on the mend.
Wash your hands and, just be aware of who you're around to be protected against the flu, COVID, anything that's out there.
The state of Tennessee previously ranked number 1 in the nation for flu cases. That was back in November. 2 other Tennessee cities joined Nashville in the top 10 flu cases list. That's Knoxville coming in at number 1 and Chattanooga ranking 4. Back to you.
Not a list we want to be on, Courtney. Thank you.